We're going to have another look at fluids in Blender now. This is my second video, and last time we just created a simple little object that turned into a liquid and splashed within our cube. Today we're going to take it a little bit further and make ourselves what's called an inflow, which is basically going to be like a spigot or a water hose. So first thing I'm going to do, I got my default view here. I'm going to split the screen here, and I'm going to hit 0 on my number pad over here to make this the camera view. Then with my cursor over here, I'll hit Z to make that a wireframe. I'll do the same over here, and I'm also going to hit 1 on my number pad over here to put this into front view. I'm now going to scale up the size of my default cube just a little bit, and I'm going to add myself a UV sphere inside, and I'm going to click OK. I'm now going to take my sphere, I'm going to grab it, I'm going to move it up a little bit so it's kind of up in the corner here of the box, and you'll see why in a second here. I'm now going to go to my object window, which is F7, my object menu here. Now I'm going to click on my physics button here. I'm going to click fluid. And this time, instead of clicking fluid, I'm going to make the sphere an inflow, which is going to be our spigot. So once again, instead of just the object splashing down, this is going to be flowing water out of this sphere. So at this point, if we just create our domain and baked it, it would go, basically it would drip out of the cube, but we want more of a flow. So what we got down here is our inflow velocities, and we've got X, Y, and Z, which are directions. X is left and right, Y is front and back, and Z is up and down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put X up to about 0.4, and I'm going to do Z negative 0.4 because we want it to go down. If I did a positive number, it would go up. So right now we're going to have the water go, our fluid go right and down, where if we wanted to go left, we would make X negative, and if we wanted to go up, we'd make Z positive, and Y, if we wanted to come front, we go positive. If we wanted to go back, we'd go negative. So we do that. Now we choose our domain, which will make this cube our domain here. So choose it, choose fluid, choose domain, and then click bake. That takes a little while to do, so I've already created that animation for us over here. So I baked it, and after hitting bake, I'm going to hit Alt-A with my cursor over this screen, and we'll see the animation. And you can see now, instead of just splashing down, it's constantly flowing, and it's actually filling our cube up to the top with fluid, basically. So at this point, I can go to a certain frame here. We'll choose a frame right here. We'll hit F12 once again. We will see our fluid with our cube there. If we wanted to make it smoother, because you can see it's kind of chunky looking, we have our domain, which is our fluid, now selected. We're going to go to our edit window, F9 here, set it to smooth. So now if I hit F12, it isn't all as boxy looking. You can do other effects to smooth it down more, but that's pretty good right there. At this point, we can also, since we've baked it, we can delete the sphere here as long as we know we're done with it. We'll hit delete. Yes, confirm that deletion. You'll still have kind of the sphere shape there because that's where the fluid was coming from, but the sphere itself is gone. I will now select our fluid again, and I'll go to materials, and just like last time, I will turn on ray mirror and ray transparent, and turn up ray mirror and IOR and a few of these other little things here until I get kind of a glassy look in my preview window here. Now this is going to once again slow down our rendering, but I'll hit F12 to render out this frame, and we'll have a nice little cube filling up with water here. So that's part 2 of my fluid tutorials for Blender, and this time we've got flows. So now you can make a sink or a hose or any type of water flow. In the next tutorial, I'm going to go over objects that basically the fluids can flow around. So look forward to that. Visit filmsbychris.com for more video tutorials like this. I hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoy playing with Blender, and keep watching.